वेलकम टू पैसों की पाठशाला प्रेजेंटेड बाय आईसीआईसीआई प्रूडेंशियल म्यूचुअल फंड। आप पहले ही देख चुके हैं जबरदस्त कंपटीशन एंड सीख चुके हैं काफी कुछ, और आज है अल्टीमेट फिनाले एपिसोड जहां चैलेंजेस होंगे टफेस्ट और एक्साइटमेंट होगी अपने पीक पर। आज हमारे तीन डायनामिक डुओज जो प्रीवियस एपिसोड के विनर्स हैं वो compete करेंगे as they are geared up and ready to take on a fresh set of mind-bending financial challenges that demand strategy, creativity and lightning fast decision making. Who's got the courage to take bold steps, the knowledge to outwit the rest and the finesse to claim the ultimate champion's trophy? I am Shant Manu, your host for this epic roller coaster ride, because life's too short for boring conversations. Let's stir things up with fun, madness and a pinch of wisdom. So don't blink, the lights are blazing, the teams are locked in and the game of games is about to begin. और अब वो वक्त आ चुका है जिसका हमें सबसे ज्यादा इंतजार था। प्रीवियस एपिसोड्स में हमने देखे शार्प माइंड्स, bold moves and game-changing wins. Tonight, all the roads lead here to the grand finale. Please welcome back the champions of our previous episodes, the best of the best, ready to battle it out one last time for the ultimate title. तो मिलते हैं अपनी पहली टीम से, टीम A, Money Lord! और आप तो जानते ही होंगे कि ये हमारी एपिसोड 1 के विनर रहे हैं।
Hi, I am Nidhi, aged 35 years and a chartered accountant by profession.
Hi, I'm Karthik Podar. I'm 39 and I run my own tech startup.
With deadly moves and sharp games,
We are here to break all the records.
we are Money Lords.
Welcome our second team, Team B, Cash King! और ये हैं हमारे एपिसोड 4 के विनर्स।
Hi, my name is Praveer Barod and I'm a singer-songwriter musician. I'm 40 years of age.
Hi, my name is Rashmi Aswani. I'm 28. I'm a dancer and an influencer. One plans, one swings.
This duo's got the fire of the true Cash Kings.
Welcome our third team for the night. Say hello to our Team C, Super Savers! जो हमारे एपिसोड 5 के विनर्स रहे हैं।
Hi, my name is Lavdi Singh and I'm 33 years old and I am an influencer.
Hi, my name is Sanket. I am 45 and I am an artist.
Saving smart, slaying hard. We are the
Super Savers! All right, teams. Welcome to पैसों की पाठशाला. Now, be prepared because this round will need 3 things: your teamwork, quick reflexes, and of course, the one thing which will have to do the maximum work, that is your brains. Only the fast, the sharp, and the money-minded will survive here once again. So, are you guys ready?
Yes!
तो शुरू करते हैं round 1, rapid fire round. All right, guys. आप सभी यहाँ हो because you've already proved yourself in the previous episodes and you all are the winners of your own battles. लेकिन आज है the ultimate finale. और अब बात करते हैं हमारे rapid fire round की. रूल्स तो आप सब जानते ही हो, लेकिन चलो एक बार फिर याद दिला देता हूँ. क्विक आंसर्स, क्लियर फोकस, क्योंकि सिर्फ स्पीड से काम नहीं चलेगा, सही होना भी इक्वली जरूरी है. शुरुआत में है हर टीम के स्कोर बैंक में 25,000 पॉइंट्स. Correct answers will give you an extra 10,000 points. Cha-ching! However, a wrong answer will take away 5,000 points from you and will be divided among 2 other teams equally. Each team gets 4 finance questions with just 3 seconds to answer. On that note, aisa kaisa paisa! Starting now, the first team, Money Lords, you are up, so let the game begin. First question for you is, what is the full form of AIF?
Alternative Investment Fund.
That is correct. Second question, name any 2 types of hybrid funds.
Multi-Asset Allocation Fund and Balanced Advantage Fund.
That is correct. Again, 10,000 points added to your kitty. And the next question for you is, when you want to open a mutual fund account for a minor, should he or she be the sole holder of the account, or can he or she can only be a joint holder?
He or she should be the sole holder of the account.
That is correct. 10,000 points added to your kitty. Okay, last question for you. The question is, a plan where an intermediary like a distributor or a broker is involved in the process of investing in a mutual fund scheme is called.
SIP.
Regular plan.
A regular plan, yes.
That is correct answer. A perfect 40,000 points. Amazing job done by Team Money Lodge. Give it up. With this, we move on to our next team, Cash Kings. Guys, are you ready for this rapid fire round?
Yes.
Last time मैंने no बोला था and हम जीत गए थे तो I'm gonna say no.
Man with the plan. Okay, so first question for you is, what is the full form of ROE?
Return on equity.
That is correct answer. A perfect 10,000 points added to your kitty. Second question, name any two types of securities that debt mutual funds invest in.
Government securities and corporate bond.
गलत है.
नहीं सही है.
100% गलत है.
I can see it in your.
That is the correct answer. 10,000 points added to your account. Which type of investing first looks at a company level analysis and then analyzes the broader market conditions?
Bottom up.
Bottom up investing.
10,000 points to you guys. Moving up for the last question, and you can also have a perfect 40,000 points. Your question is, a period or phase when investors are generally optimistic about the future, expecting prices of assets like stocks, commodities or currencies to rise is called.
Bull market.
Correct answer, 10,000 points. A perfect 40,000 for you also, Team Cash King. Give it up, yeah, guys. Come on, give it up. Super Savers, it's your turn now. And your first question is, which book is a collection of Charlie Munger's speeches and investment philosophy?
Poor Charlie's Almanac.
Yes, correct answer, 10,000 added to your point bank. Moving on to your next question. The question is, who is known as the father of value investing?
Benjamin Graham.
Benjamin?
Graham.
And that is the correct answer. 10,000 points to you, Team Super Savers. Next question, listen carefully. Name one fund category that offers instant redemption.
Liquid fund.
Correct answer, 10,000 points to you. And a third perfect score is the possibility जो मैं देख पा रहा हूँ. Let's see if this is possible or not. The next question is, which category of mutual funds aim to identify stocks which temporarily trade at discount?
Value fund.
Yeah, that's a correct answer. 10,000 points added to your point bank. Guys, the game of money is getting bigger, tougher, stronger. आप सभी ने शुरू किया था 25,000 points पे, but at the end of this first round, all of you are standing at 65,000 points. Give it up. I'm not saying कि ये round बहुत ही convenient था या easy था, but somehow you guys have managed, played like a true champion, which you guys are already. Now get ready to turn up the heat because it's the buzzer round time. अब यहाँ सिर्फ knowledge नहीं, reflexes भी matter करते हैं, क्योंकि सिर्फ faster team जो buzzer सबसे पहले दबाएगी और सही जवाब देगी, वही points ले जाएगी. हर सही आंसर पर आप जीतोगे 10,000 पॉइंट्स, लेकिन अगर आपका जवाब गलत हुआ तो कटेंगे 5,000 पॉइंट्स और वो बांट दिए जाएंगे बाकी की दो टीम्स के अंदर इक्वली. मतलब यहाँ हर सेकंड, हर मूव काउंट्स. जो टीम सबसे पहले बजर प्रेस करेगी उसे ही जवाब देने का चांस मिलेगा. और ध्यान रहे, जवाब देने के लिए आपके पास होंगे सिर्फ 10 सेकंड्स, लेकिन सारे ऑप्शन सुनने के बाद ही बजर प्रेस करके जवाब देना होगा, वरना आपका आंसर कंसीडर नहीं किया जाएगा और इससे आप अपनी ही टीम का लॉस करा दोगे. सो चैंपियंस, तैयार हो जाइए क्योंकि बजर का एक टिंग आपको ऊपर ले जा सकता है और यही टिंग आपको बहुत नीचे गिरा सकता है. This is the ultimate speed and accuracy test, and remember, elimination is right after this round. So consider that. Now is time कि मैं आपको बता दूं मेरे favorite rule के बारे में, क्योंकि आप सब champions हैं, आप सब जानते ही होंगे. So
Hands at the back.
तो बोलो, ऐसा कैसा पैसा. So let's start with first question of the second round, and here it is. According to SEBI's Master Circular on mutual funds, a value fund should have a minimum investment of how much percent in equity and equity related instruments? Option A, 35%. Option B, 45%. Option C, 55%. Option D, 65%. Guys, सबसे पहले buzzer press क्या है? Team B, Cash Kings ने. Please tell me what is the right answer.
Answer is D, 65%.
It is the right answer. 10,000 added to your point bank, guys. That's what we are talking about when we are talking speed. Second question आपके सामने आ रहा है, guys. Please remember, इस round के बाद होगा elimination. So वैसे ही focus के साथ खेलिए. Your second question is, according to SEBI's Master Circular on mutual funds, what is the minimum percentage of total assets that multi-cap funds must allocate to each market capitalization segment? Large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Option A, 10%. Option B, 15%. Option C, 20%. And option D, 25%. And सबसे पहले buzzer दबाया है Team A Money Lords ने.
The answer is option D, 25%.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes! 10,000 points added to your kitty. The correct answer is option D, 25%.
इस पे एक शेर मैं बोल सकूं तो
Why not?
Irshad.
स्पीड के साथ जो दिमाग लगाए वही आज जीतने वाला है. ये ऐसा वैसा गेम नहीं, ये पैसों की पाठशाला है.
अरे
Very nicely said. Okay, third question is, what is the minimum ticket size for investing in an alternative investment fund, AIF, in India? Option A, 50 lakhs. Option B, 1 crore. Option C, 10 crore. Option D, 5 crore. तो सबसे पहले buzzer दबाया है.
Cash Kings.
Okay, if you're saying Cash
Thank
Kings.
you.
Please tell me what is the right answer.
Option B, 1 crore.
Yes, it is option B, 1 crore and 10,000 points added to their point bank. Fourth question is, according to the 50-30-20 budgeting rule, how should one ideally allocate their income? Option A, 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and investments. Option B, 50% savings and investments, 30% needs and 20% wants. C, 50% wants, 30% needs and 20% savings. Or option D, 50% needs, 30% savings and 20% wants.
Cheating.
So, question 4 के ऑप्शन सुनने के बाद सबसे पहले बजर जिस टीम ने दबाया है वो है टीम A Money Lords. Tell me what is the right answer.
Option A, 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on saving and investment.
Give it up for Team A Money Lords. That is the correct answer and 10,000 points added to their point bank. Okay, next question. According to SEBI's Master Circular on mutual funds, what is the minimum allocation that an equity saving fund must make in equity and equity related instruments and debt instruments? Option A, 65% in equity, 10% in debt. Option B, 60% in equity and 20% in debt. Option C, 75% in equity and 5% in debt. And option D, 50% in equity and 25% in debt. सबसे पहले बजर दबाया है टीम सुपर सेवर्स ने. Please tell me what is the right answer.
Option
Yes, say it.
टॉस कर लो.
A.
Follow your instincts.
Option number A, 65%.
Thank you very much. You don't get this one. The correct answer is option A, 65% in equity and 10% in debt. Unfortunately, minus 5,000 from your account and distributed equally in Team Money Lords and Cash Kings. Come on, guys, enjoy the moment.
Thank you.
But I'm so sorry, guys. Unfortunately, this one was not for you. No worries. The game is still on. With this, we have reached to the final question of this round. And after this question, there will be an elimination. I'm sure you don't want to be that team. Listen to it very carefully. Answer it completely. Your question is, Which of the following funds is best suited for short-term investment? Option A, liquid fund. Option B, equity fund. Option C, balanced fund. Option D, gilt fund. सबसे पहले बजर दबाया है टीम कैश किंग्स ने. I want to know what is the right answer.
मुझे नहीं पता. You pressed
एक
it.
चीज बता जल्दी.
टाइम अप.
Okay, the time is up. I am sorry you've lost this question और आपके अकाउंट से 5,000 points deduct हो जाते हैं.
Thank you.
Very sadly, but I would like to give this opportunity. कोई आंसर करना चाहता
Yes,
है? I see Money Lords wants to answer this question. What is the correct answer?
The answer is option A, liquid fund.
Yes, that is the correct answer. Option A, liquid fund. And with this, we have reached to the end of second round, which is the buzzer round. Thrill, drama, dhamaka. ये था असली battle. But the scoreboard never lies. तो चलिए देखते हैं कौन सी टीम ने कितना स्कोर किया है. But all of you are champions. So for one last time, आप तीनों के लिए give it up a huge round of applause. So team A, Money Lords, आपने earn किए हैं in total of 90,000 points. Give it up, give it up, give it up. Team B, Cash Kings, आपने totally accumulate किए हैं 82,500 points. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Very close, very close. Next round में catch up करेंगे. On that note, Team C, Super Savers, आपने earn किए 62,500 points. Come on guys, give it up. We are talking about champions here. But unfortunately on that note, it is decided that आज आप पैसों की पाठशाला के एपिसोड में आगे नहीं जा पाएंगे. However, it was a well fought battle and I really appreciate कि आपने इतना enjoy किया. हमने बहुत enjoy किया. So, I would request to give it up for Team C Super Savers. Thank you for smiling. Thank you for coming. Have a good one. Thank you Team C Super Savers. So, अब आ गए हैं हम राउंड 3 ब्रेन वेस्टर आइडिया में और ये राउंड थोड़ा हटके होने वाला है. आज आपको डिकोड करने हैं कुछ फाइनेंशियल टर्म्स लेकिन एक ट्विस्ट के साथ. और इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़ें, इट इज ओनली फेयर कि मैं आपको एक ट्विस्ट दिखा दूं. सो हियर वी गो. मैजिक. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, यहां है एक फ्लिपिंग बोर्ड जिसको फ्लिप करने पर आपको दिखेगा एक फाइनेंशियल एनाग्राम वर्ड. हर टीम के मेंबर को एक एक करके चांस मिलेगा यहां आकर फ्लिप करने का. पहले आप आओगे और यहां टर्म रिवील करोगे. फिर आपकी टीम को 45 सेकंड्स का टाइम मिलेगा जिसके अंदर आपको गेस करना होगा वो सही फाइनेंशियल टर्म. सो आर यू गाइस रेडी?
Yes.
सही जवाब दिया तो सीधे मिलेंगे 20,000 पॉइंट्स और अगर जवाब गलत हुआ तो फिर आप जानते हैं आपके बैंक से 5,000 पॉइंट्स माइनस हो जाएंगे और दूसरी टीम के बैंक में चले जाएंगे. वैसे अब सब यहां फिनाले तक आ ही गए हो, मतलब स्मार्टनेस पे तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. अब देखते हैं कौन बनेगा द अल्टीमेट चैंपियन. तो हो जाए फॉर द लास्ट टाइम ऐसा कैसा पैसा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टीम मनी लॉर्ड्स. आप में से सबसे पहले कौन आना चाहेगा इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर? प्लीज टेक योर स्पॉट, सिलेक्ट द बोर्ड. ओके, योर 45 सेकेंड्स स्टार्ट्स नाउ.
क्या लग रहा है? ये तो फंड्स है. हाँ,
funds.
ये तो क्लियर है. पहले वाला
And I feel
इंडेक्स.
like index funds.
Index funds. Yeah, makes sense.
So the answer is
Idea
index funds.
Index funds is the right answer. You get 20,000 points in your point bank. And index funds are the type of mutual funds that invest in the same stocks as a market index like Nifty 50 or Sensex. They aim to match the index's returns, giving low cost and diversified exposure to the market. On that note, good job done निधि. आप अपनी पोजीशन पर वापस जा सकती हैं.
Well done.
Come on guys, give it up. So, टीम बी कैश किंग्स, आपकी टीम में से कौन आ रहा है? सबसे पहले on this platform.
आपने इनको बताया नहीं कि पिछली बार जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था तो बहुत
Yeah,
अमेजिंग
yeah.
परफॉर्मेंस दिया था मैंने.
The position is here. आ जाइए. Select कीजिए which card you want to flip.
Let's start from the top. Okay.
Your 45 seconds starts now.
सुन, सबसे पहले ये तो 100% मार्केट है. अब ये इसकी गुत्थी तू सुलझा भाई. ये मेरे समझ के बाहर है.
Guess guys, guess.
अबे टाइम जा रहा है, जल्दी बोल.
Focus Q पे focus करो. It is
Lollipop.
often shortened to market cap.
Lollipop,
Market capitalization.
So the correct answer for this anagram word is market capitalization, because market capitalization is often shortened to market cap. It is the total market value of a company's outstanding shares in the stock market. And with this, you guys get 20,000 points in your point bank, and you have the right answer with you. Thank you very much. And आप अपनी position ले सकते हैं. So team A Money Lords, आप में से अब कौन आ रहा है? Please, this is the spot. You know the drill.
Yes.
Go ahead.
हाँ,
So आपके 45 seconds शुरू होते हैं अब.
क्या लग रहा है?
The second word we will first try to decode. That looks easy. I feel like
तुम्हें
that's
भी समझ नहीं आ
market.
रहा कि कैसे
ये तो market है, हाँ.
खराब
Market, right?
करेंगे.
This is market, but
market,
first
but
वाला
first
केतराम
was
एक्चुअली
little
वर्ड लग रहा है,
difficult.
किसी का नाम लग रहा है.
Don't
Ketram.
listen to them, listen to me. Let's talk here.
I think L
केतराम की
levitation
longevity.
type
Guys,
लग रहा है.
time is running. जल्दी बताइए आपका final
What was their
answer क्या है?
explanation?
मैं कह रहा हूँ
Something ups
market
and
ups and
downs. What do we call that? What is that word?
That's the market levitation.
So the time is up, but also you do not get anything. You can go back to your position. So the correct answer is market volatility. Market volatility is an investment term that describes when a market or security experiences periods of unpredictable and sometimes sharp prices movements. People often think about volatility only when prices fall. However, volatility can also refer to sudden price rises too. Next team, Team Cash Kings, कौन आ रहा है आप में से? Give it up, give it up, give it up. Okay, so select कीजिए. Your 45 seconds starts now.
See, the middle word is cost.
हाँ, वो ठीक है,
ठीक
वो
है.
परफेक्ट है. फर्स्ट वाला डिकोड कर, वो भी इजी है. लास्ट वाला बाद में करेंगे बिकॉज़ दैट इज अ लिटिल लॉन्गर वन. सो आई थिंक रुपी है क्या? फर्स्ट
Yeah,
वाला?
yeah, that one is rupee.
सो रुपी कॉस्ट
Cost.
एंड लास्ट वाला क्या है?
Guys, time is running. Come on.
Rupee cost average.
That is the correct answer. आप जा सकते हैं अपनी position पे. Rupee cost averaging happens when you invest a fixed amount regularly, buying more units at low prices and fewer at higher prices, averaging your overall cost. And with this, you have earned your 20,000 points in your account, and you guys are in the game. रह गए हैं 2 cards. I think it's time कि मैं एक बार इस गेम के अंदर somehow participate कर सकूं. So, टीम मनी लॉर्ड्स, मैं आपके लिए एक कार्ड को फ्लिप करना चाहूंगा. दिस इज योर वर्ड. आपके 45 सेकंड शुरू होते हैं अब.
See, it's like flexible because it's like flexi because larger
Excel
cap
sheet.
funds. So it's like the
Excel
answer is flexi cap funds.
Perfect.
And yes, that is the correct answer. Flexi cap funds are equity mutual fund schemes that can invest across large cap, mid cap, and small cap companies. They give fund managers access to allocate investments across all market caps. And with this, you have earned 20,000 points in your point bank, and this might bring you the victory, guys. Give it up! Come on, Cash Kings, आपके लिए there's nothing much to choose from, but let me do the honors. आपके 45 seconds शुरू होते हैं अब. Worst fight. A coin. Come on. आपस में communicate कीजिए. Talk to each other.
Something like
You can get this one.
CAPION.
Remember, this is the last one.
Is a-
Time's up.
Diversification.
Time's up. Time is up. So the correct answer is diversification. Diversification is a risk management technique that aims to mitigate risk by allocating investments across different financial instruments, sectors, and several other categories. With this, we have come to the end of round 3 Brainvestor idea. लेकिन ये टाइम है कि हमारे इस प्यारे से ट्विस्ट को यहाँ से बाहर कर दिया जाए. मगर one last time, please allow me to do that magic. And that's how we roll. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for the last time. They played with fire, they stayed cool under pressure, and they turned every second into a strategy. First round से लेकर इस nail biting final तक उन्होंने प्रूव किया है that क्यों वो यहाँ रहना डिजर्व करते हैं. और इस incredible journey के बाद वक्त आ गया है to crown the ultimate champion of पैसों की पाठशाला. So, Team B, Cash Kings, after the end of round 3, at the ending of final episode of पैसों की पाठशाला, आपने earn किए total of 1,22,500 points. Big round of applause, guys. You have earned every bit of it. Not today, but in the previous episode also. I'm sure you have made a mark in the पैसों की पाठशाला. Team Money Lords ने after the end of पैसों की पाठशाला इस episode में accumulate किए हैं यही कुछ 1,30,000 points, and you guys are the ultimate champion of this पैसों की पाठशाला. And history. Woohoo! Come on, this is your trophy. And the champions trophy goes to Team Money Lords.
कैसा पैसा.
गाइस, क्या जबरदस्त सफर रहा है ये. पैसों की पाठशाला में हमने देखे माइंड ब्लोइंग बैटल्स, ब्रिलियंट स्ट्रैटेजीज और ऐसे डिसीजंस जो बना देते हैं एक विनर को चैंपियन. और आज इस एपिक फिनाले में वी क्राउन्ड द अल्टीमेट चैंपियंस आर टीम मनी लॉर्ड्स. लेकिन गाइस, ये सिर्फ शो का एंड है. आपकी जर्नी तो अभी शुरू हुई है. अब आपके पास है फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस का रास्ता. सो चूज स्मार्टली, यूज इट वाइजली और बनो अपनी खुद की स्टोरी के चैंपियंस. आई एम शांतनु. आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट सीजन ऑफ पैसों की पाठशाला, बट योर जर्नी कंटिन्यूज फ्रॉम हियर. गुड नाइट, हैव अ गुड वन. लीजिए, मजे, मेरा फ्रेम जा रहा है.
थैंक यू
वेरी मच. आज तो क्या हो गया? हाथ मिलके तो देखेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.